Hey, welcome to CEDIA. This is a great convention for sound, for graphics, for all types of stuff. We're here at the show with the Benner-Nawman company, and I'm Ed Kentz. I'm chairman of the board of the company. We're a fourth generation company. I'm the third generation, started by my grandfather. At the show, we're showing our new flat box. And our flat box is designed to fit between studs. It's a plastic box, but it ships to you flat. And you fold the sides together, and then it slides between the studs, as you can see on this display here. And then this gives you the ability to put in your routers, so now you have Wi-Fi throughout your house. What's great about this product is that it has the knockouts in the bottom for electrical. It has a backboard that accepts all the different manufacturers' equipment. But what's really cool is the fact that because it ships to you flat, you can put 10, 20, 30 of them in a truck because they're in a very small box of 6. And then when you install it, you save about $50 to $60 versus the competition. It's a great product to introduce here at the show. Hey, thanks for watching. And our website is bnproducts.com, and Benner-Nawman, that's BENNER-NAWMAN.com. Hey, come to the show next year. We look forward to seeing you.